Around here, I'm going to take you through a unilateral combination. Then you are going to have to practice it and perform it. So let's start out. So I'm going to count this through eights. So the first one is a sumo position is the start. You're going to give me 1, 2, 3, 4, upright row, 5, 6, fly, 7, 8, tap down, 1, 2, 3, come up 4, drop it down, negative 5, 6, 7, 8, front to back, 1, 2, 3, turn on 4, anterior 5, 6, 7, 8, step over, 1, 2 behind the body, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to the middle. Let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, upright, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, behind the body, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Quickie today. Now it's up to you. Catch me on Wednesday for Cardio Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.